Hey guys, thanks for joining another recipe episode from Borden's Bakes. In continuation of my fake away weekend, I wanted to do a chicken pakora version for you too. This recipe is suitable for step 2 and above and can be combined with the veg pakora for one meal. So guys, we're going to jump right in, but remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome recipes each week. Okay, to get started you're going to need 410 grams of chicken. Next, 25 grams of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of low salt or golden veg, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, garlic powder, garam masala, paprika, then half a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin and ginger powder. And don't worry guys, if you missed that, the measurements are below in the description. This recipe is so easy and it only uses one bowl, so very little washing up, so it's a massive plus if you ask me. Place your chicken into the bowl, add all your spices, then add a tablespoon of water. Mix the spices into the chicken breast, making sure that all the chicken is coated. Next, add in your gram flour. Stir using a spatula, combining it into your chicken. Add in another tablespoon of water and continue mixing the gram flour into the chicken. Once done, place it in the fridge for around about 2 to 3 hours. Once the chicken is ready, place on a counter and grab a wire rack. Place the chicken out individually onto your rack. Place in the oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes. Now that our chicken's done, there you have it. Perfectly crispy chicken pakora, suitable for step 2 on the 1-to-1 diet. Thank you for joining me for this recipe guys. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes each week.